Business for beginners. What is a business? Whether it is one person running a market stall or a big, well-known company with thousands of people working for it, all businesses make and do things people need in exchange for something, usually money. To be successful, a business has to make more money than it spends. This is known as making a profit. A few examples of businesses are pharmacy, bank, market stall, transport services, factories. There are around 600 to 700 people are working in this factory or oil well. So we can say that it is a medium-sized business. In this airline company, 40,000 people are working. So we can say that it is a large business. Less than 10 people work for the majority of companies, including taxi services. Micro-businesses are what these are. I hope you now know what a business is. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you find this video interesting.